still keeps a radio in a red tin box. Buttons want a silver by 1,000 knocks. She hums with the static and calls it a friend. Says songs were made by hands, not words that pretend. She shakes at the screen glow like it stole her name. Says the room is changing but the chords stay same. Her old boots tapping on the floor of chrome. She won't let the future call her phone. No, I need the old ways. Need the old ways now. I don't trust the machine rain. I don't trust it somehow. No, I need the old ways. Need the old ways now. Let me stay where I know how. She saves every demo on a cracked cassette. Labels in a curling hand, best one yet. She says, give me a chorus with a little ache. Give me breath and bruises, give me something real to make. But the kids keep laughing at her velvet coat, at the way she clutches every fading note. She says, I still belong here with a stubborn grin as the mirrors answer, not again, not again. No, I need the old ways. Need the old ways now. I don't trust the machine rain. I don't trust it somehow. No, no, I need the old ways. Need the old ways now. Let me stay where I know how. She sees her reflection in a shop window ghost. Eyes like late weather and a posture that froze. She won't say goodbye yet, won't hear